28, 29, 30, doing the same things, they just have bigger numbers and mix the rules together to see if you can keep track of what to do. Negative 39 minus 35. They both have minus signs in front. I'm going to add and keep my sign. So I'm going to get 74. It's going to stay negative. 5 minus a negative 6. I've got minus a negative. I've got to change it to a plus. 5 plus 6 gives me 11. Number 29, negative 10 minus a negative 5. Again, I've got that minus a negative. I've got to change it to a plus. So negative 10 plus 5, subtract and take the sign of the larger. I should get negative 5. Negative 23 minus 41. They're both negative. I add and keep the sign. So if I add those, I get 64. Stays negative. So negative 64 is my answer. Go ahead, do number 30. So number 30, we have 26 minus 49. This is positive, this is negative. My rule, subtract and take the sign of the larger. So if I subtract, I get 23. The larger one is negative. So 26 minus 49 should be negative 23. And the last one on number 30, 4 minus a negative 11. I have the minus the negative. I've got to do 4 plus 11. And so hopefully 15 is what you came up with your answer. And of course, on all of these adding and subtracting ones, you can punch them into your calculator and check them. I would advise you that if there are parentheses, to use the parentheses. Not that it's going to make any difference on the adding and subtracting, but when we get into other problems, if you start leaving parentheses off of stuff, you're not going to get the right answers. So it's a good habit, if you're going to use your calculator to check things, to type them in just like you see them, and that way the calculator knows what you're doing and should come up with the right answer. That is the end of homework day 8.